Hello Year 2, Lorcan here, and I'm just going to go through setting up your project so you can export it to an Android device. So here I've just got a simple scene of just some cubes. I can just click around the screen a bit. And I've set this up so that when I export it to Android, I'll actually be able to tap the screen and this little box will appear there. So the basics of this is really just going to your project settings, going to your build settings, and first switching platform to Android. Now you see when I do this, the aspect ratios I've got here are going to change as well. And now these are changing to Android one, so I'll just pick, that looks good. You may also notice actually the cube size will change a little bit, so that's something you might want to note, but anyway. So to have this working for exporting to Android, you don't have to worry about these settings for now. You just go to the player settings. If you want to set your game to only go into certain orientations, you do it here, but the important thing is in other settings. So you need to pick a name for your project. So I'm just going to call it Android Game, and for company I'm just going to put the name I use for my work, Birdmask. You could just put your team name there. Make sure to click enter when you're done, or else it will reset, and that will get in the way of you actually building your project. So that's all the things here, and I'll just do that up here while I'm here. There. Now, if you were to try and do this from home, you might find that you'll have a bunch of error messages pop up. The university has pre-installed some external tools that allow Android development, which it has the links to them here. You can do this stuff on your home computers, but it is quite a few extra steps, which I don't imagine we'll be going into now. But as long as you're on the university computers, this shouldn't be an issue, so you don't have to worry about it. I'm just bringing up so you're aware of it. So I'm going to just save the scene. Now everything's been converted, add it to the scene I want to export, and press build and run. Now the initial build usually just takes a tiny bit longer than the other ones. Not that long, but you'll notice if you're testing things that after the first build of a project you do for the day, future ones will be faster. So yeah, there we go. So I'm going to look at my phone now. I'll see if I can get footage of this up onto this video, though I doubt I'll be able to. But I now have the game running on the phone and I can tap on the screen. If you got a pop-up message saying something about USB debugging, then that means you need to enable certain settings on your phone. There should be a PDF about that somewhere in the learning space, but if not, you need to enable developer mode on your Android device, and you need to enable USB debugging once you've enabled developer mode, which you can look up online if you can't find the PDF. Anyway, I hope this is helpful to any of you developing. I look forward to seeing what you do.